let's see how to access Chatbot admin logs and able to track events happening in your Chatbot account. So here I'm in a demo account. If you go to the settings over here, so let me go to the settings in a new tab, and in settings you have the tab admins. So if you click on it, if you click on manage over here, you have the option to access the Chatbot admin logs over here. So here you will see admin activity logs, and here let me actually add a new admin and show you. So first of all, you have to click on add over here, and here if you are providing super admin, that particular person will have all the admin rights or all the permissions over there. So suppose if you want to disable the super admin access, for example, let's say you want to provide access for them to only the inbox, or if they are actually planning to add them as the live agent, you can simply provide them the contact or inbox access, or you can even provide access to only to the assigned conversation as well. For example, let's provide access to these three things: flows, contacts, view email and phone number of contacts as well. Alright, so here let me click on continue over here, and here you have to simply copy this link and share it with the person you want to add over here. So here let me open in a different window over here, and here let me open that particular admin link over here, and it says you were invited to be an admin of this particular account. So here they have different options. So let me actually continue with email, and let me actually use this temporary email over here, and let me enter this one. So it should actually send us a code to this particular email. So let's see if we can actually receive this particular code right here. So it will take some time to receive this particular code over here. Alright, we got the code over here, and let me copy this one and continue. So it asks for the name, so let me say test1, test2. So the first name is test1 and the last name is test2, and it says you admin accept. So they should be able to log in over here. So here they can access only these things. So here they can access inbox over here, and after that they can access flows, contacts, keywords, auto marketing tools, these kind of things. So in the admin account they don't have access to the analytics. So here, so let's say, so now, so they're actually looking at the inbox. So this particular person who joined, so here this particular person who joined in the inbox right here, and this is the name of the person, test1, test2. So here if I go to the admin logs over here, settings, admins, manage, and if I go here to admin logs, admin activity logs, we should be able to check this one. As you see, test1 is here, test1, test1. So this account is Chatik. So this is the latest activity happened on the Chatik account, but here you can see all the activities. So here they access inbox, contacts. For example, let me go to the flows section over here, and let me create a new flow in this account. So let me say just a random flow and create this one from the test user, and let me update this one as hi over here, and let me publish this one over here. Alright, so here let me go to the main account over here, and let me refresh this one. We should see that admin log right here. So here it says test1 flows, and they publish this one, as you see here. So likewise, you can easily track the admin logs. Admins will be updated in settings, admins over there. So here you can find all the activities happened over there. So you can actually see which admin actually created a specific flow or make changes or last published a flow, and keep track of the things over there. So that's a quick video on how to use Chatbot admin logs. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.